Alright, welcome back. I've skipped ahead. Now I'm on number 8 for the Chapter 7 test review. So let's go over number 8. In a survey, 6/10 of students chose Saturday. So 6/10 chose Saturday. 1/10 chose Monday as their favorite day of the week, which that part's not important to our problem, but that's what they were doing. Now the question. What fraction shows the students who chose Saturday or Monday as their favorite day? So it's important to know when we're saying Saturday or Monday, it means combining Saturday and Monday. Either one of them. We want to know all the students that chose either one of those days. Okay? So let's do part A, shade the model to show your answer. So let's start with Saturday. Well, 6/10 of the students showed Saturday, so here are our tenths, the one representing the whole class, and we broke this class up into tenths, and 6 of those tenths, so here's 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, and 6/10 chose Saturday, and then now 1/10 chose Monday. So how many tenths altogether chose either Monday or Saturday? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tenths. 7/10 of the students chose Monday or Saturday. Now let's look at part B. How are the numerator and the denominator of your answer related to the model? Well, let's look at the numerator. How is it related to the model? Well, the numerator, what is it showing us? The numerator always shows us the part. So the numerator shows us the part of the students who chose, and I'm going to use abbreviations here, Monday or Saturday. M for Monday, S for Saturday. And then what about the denominator? Because remember, we got to answer all parts, numerator and denominator. So I answered the part about the numerator. Now let's address the denominator. The denominator shows us how many total parts the class was broken up into. Denominator shows us how many, oh, that's a bad W, you know what I meant, shows us how many parts there are total. Now again, your answer, let's say you did this problem on your own and then you came back and you wanted to watch the video just to check your answer. This part of your answer should be exactly the same as mine, but this part may be a little different because you may have explained it another way. It doesn't mean that this is the only way you can explain this answer. This is just one way of explaining it. So as long as you addressed the numerator and the denominator and what the numerator and the denominator are telling us about this model, then you probably explained it correctly. Now, if in your answer you only talked about the numerator, or you only talked about the denominator, or maybe you didn't explain how it relates back to this model, then that's probably an incomplete answer. Okay? But again, it doesn't have to be my exact words. There's lots of different ways to explain this. Okay? Alright, thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video.